Okay, so I just noticed or had somebody tell me that there was a little piece missing between videos 2 and 3. So this was not finished and this top one over here was not finished. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so first off, this one. What I was showing you here was going to be a new command called extend. So extend is basically, it's just the opposite of trim, is the way I look at that. So we're going to go EX for extend and hit enter. So what it'll do is, for example, I click on this line, it'll extend that line all the way to that end. So whatever I click on, it'll extend those lines, is how that works. So extending all these lines across, it extends to the next nearest thing as you click on it. So it works just like that, all the way down to there. If I wanted to extend these things twice, I could click on them again, you know, and then it really gets kind of confusing if I just keep doing all this. So that's kind of how the extend works. What we're going to do here is we're going to use some combination of the extend command. So we're going to first go EX for extend. First off, I'm just going to extend this top line all the way over to there. Perfect, done. That was just extending one line. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and show you the option of extend. Much like trim, I can go EX for extend. And instead of a cutting edge, I can pick a boundary edge. So I'm going to go B for boundary. And now notice what happens when I click all of these lines. I'm going to just draw a line across them. Oops, I forgot to hit enter. Boundary edge, hit enter. B for boundary and then enter. And then draw your line across. And you can bring all those across like so. So I'm going to do that one more time since I kind of messed up there. So we're going to go EX for extend, enter. B for boundary, enter. B, enter. Pick this line as your boundary, hit enter there. And now just draw a line down across all of those. Oops, missed some of those. And extended all those all the way across. So that's what we're doing there. Now next, I'm going to go EX for extend again. What I want to do is I want to get these lines all the way up here to the top. So again, I could click on them one at a time, click here, and then click here, and click here, and extend them one at a time. Or once again, I can do my boundary. So I'm going to go B for boundary, pick that top line, hit enter, extend that all the way to the boundary. And that's just a quick little thing on how extend works. Basically, instead of trimming a line off, it takes a line to the boundary, what the next nearest thing is. Now, the last little thing we're going to do with these is just combo extend and trim. So we're going to go TR for trim. And we're going to trim out these lines in between this little zigzag shape. So we're going to go right like that, draw a line down. I'm going to release in case I got crooked. And there you go. And that was it on that one, trimming off all those things in between. Okay. All right. This top one here was left off also. This was pretty easy. Again, that was just some trimming. We want TR for trim. And you can either use some boundaries or you can just go ahead and trim it off. I think this was just about as easy to trim off. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in here, trim off all these top things like so, trim off all the bottom ones like so, and then trim off that line in between. That was it. So again, it was trim, TR, enter, chop off. Whoa, not like that. I got a little bit too wild with my line. Trim off all those, trim off all those, and then these in between. It does get to be a little bit more there. You could pick your boundaries if you wanted to. TR for trim, T for the cutting edge, pick the top and the bottom line, and then just go like, if you didn't get quite so wild, go like that and trim those off. Either way, trim that off and make it look like that, and that's beautiful. All right, very good.